Yep.
That is ridiculous.
By first alert.
Kevin McCarthy has eroded any trust that he had going forward. That is the backdrop as we look back at how he came into power by catering to Marjorie Taylor Greene and the most extreme factions of his conference. And who has been left out of this are people at home who are worried about the GOP's attacks on Social Security, on our public schools, on the freedom of reproductive rights in this country.